Merry Christmas, everyone!
Today we're learning 30 Christmas vocabulary words, simple, useful, and perfect for beginners. Stay tuned and repeat after me to practice your pronunciation.
30 Christmas vocabulary. Christmas, Santa Claus, reindeer, snowman, Christmas tree, Christmas lights, stocking, present or gift, wish list, ribbon, candy cane, snowflake, sleigh, chimney, wreath, gingerbread, fireplace, holiday season, Christmas carols, mistletoe, North Pole, wrapping paper, warm wishes, midnight mass, tinsel, bauble, garland, fairy lights, tree topper, bells. Now you're ready to talk about Christmas with confidence. Let's enjoy this festive season together. Thanks for learning with Daily English Moments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Wishing you joy, peace, and a magical Christmas season. See you in the next lesson.